equations with two variables, or when one variable just isn't good enough. So up till now we've been using this type of equation, f of x equals 2x plus 3. At this point we are getting rid of f of x and replacing it with y. Why? Because we do. So the two variables we're going to find is x and y. Y is always going to be by itself. You always put x in the equation to solve. Just like when we had f of x or f of n, we're going to create a chart here and fill in our information. So x will be our input. Here's our equation that we're going to solve, and here is our output now in the form of y. And just to make it easier to organize, here's a new column, x of y. Now, when you have an equation in which they don't give you values for x, you get to put in your own values. So it's important to take a careful look at what numbers you're going to put in. I like to throw in a 0 and a positive number and a negative number. Now be selective when you pick your numbers, because if I picked a large number here, I'm going to have to do larger numbered math. By keeping it small, the equations I have to do, the mathematics I have to do is not terribly complicated. I could have gone with 0, 1, 2 here to stay away from a negative number, but later on we're going to be graphing these, and it's a good idea to include a negative number. Okay, so here this column's been filled in. Here's our output for y. And this final column just puts the numbers together. So negative 1, 1 is our first order pair, 0, 3 is our second order pair, and 1, 5 is our third order pair.